Seventh question. These are the cylinder based questions, questions 7 and 8. Radius of the base of a cylinder is 20 centimeter and its height is 13 centimeter. We have to find its curved surface area and total surface area. Now radius is 20 centimeter, so we write here r is equal to 20 centimeter. Also the height is given as 13 centimeters, so h equal to 13 centimeter. Now here the curved surface area of the cylinder. Now curved surface area of the cylinder, if you remember, it is given by the formula 2 pi r h. Now here pi was given as 3.14, so 2 into 3.14 into r, which is 20, into h, which is 13 centimeter. So we multiply all of these. Okay, that we have 13 into 2, 26. So this is 260. 13 into 20, 260 into 2 is 520, and 520 into 3.14, if you multiply, you get here 1632.80 centimeters square. Note here, we are finding the curved surface area, and area is always in centimeters square, centimeters. So here 1632.80 centimeters square. We have to find the curved surface area as well as total surface area. So total surface area, again area, this also will be in centimeters square. Now writing the formula for total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder is given by the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. Here it was just 2 pi r h, curved surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. Now we'll put the values. 2 into pi was 3.14. Okay, so 2 pi r was 20 centimeters, so we write here 20. And now in the bracket r plus h. R is 20, h is 13. So 20 plus 13. So this becomes 2 into 3.14 into 20. 20 plus 13 is 33. So into 33. So then we multiply all of them together. That is 33 into 20 will be 660. 660 into 2 will be 1000. Here 660 into 2. 600 into 2 is 1200. 60 into 2 is 120. So 1320 into 3.14. So when we multiply that, we get the answer 4144.80. I said the units because it is area, it will be centimeter square. So we write here centimeter square. So we have now found both the curved surface area of the cylinder and the total surface area of the cylinder. Eighth question. Curved surface area of a cylinder is 1980 centimeter square and radius of its base is 15 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. They have given pi here as 22 by 7. So we write curved surface area of the cylinder. It is given here 1980 centimeter square. Radius is 15 centimeters. So we write r equal to 15 centimeter. We have to find the height. So h equal to how much? Now the formula for curved surface area of a cylinder, as you have seen in the previous sum, is 2 pi r h. But curved surface area is already given. So in place of this we write 1980. 2 is written as it is. Pi is given to be 22 by 7. So we write here 22 by 7. R here is 15, so we write 15 here. H we do not know, write H as it is. So now if I have to find H, what do? I leave H on one side and take all the other terms to the other side. So when I take to the other side, what happens? H is equal to 1980 into 7 and this 2 into 22 into 15 comes to the denominator. So 2 into 22 into 15 will be in the denominator. So then we will simplify now further. So let me write here 1980 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 15. First we see whether 15 goes in 1980, 15 goes in 19 once, 4 remains in 48, 15 threes are 45, in 30 it goes twice. So we cancel, 15 goes in 19 once, 4 remains in 48, 15 threes are 45, then 3 remains in 15 goes in 30 2 times. So we have this. Okay, now 2 goes in 132, 2 goes in 13 6 times, 2 6 are 12, 1 is left in 12, 2 goes 6 times. Now 22 goes in 66 3 times. So we have 3 into 7 left. So H is equal to 3 into 7, which is equal to 21 centimeter. So we have got here the H, which is 21 centimeter, and we had to find, the question was height of the cylinder. Therefore, height of the cylinder H is equal to 21 centimeter. So we have completed now both the questions related to cylinder.